The flowers are wet?
Uh-huh.
Why are they wet?
Look! Tiny little flowers.
Yeah. They're soft, huh?
Yeah.
What color are they?
It's purple.
They're purple? You think so? They look like they used to be purple. I'm looking. No hands, huh? Are you getting wet? Your hands have got to be wet.
Oh. See?
Yeah, it's raining.
See?
Okay. Hey, let's go home. Let's go back home, okay? Because it's raining.
No.
Well, let's just, yeah, we can keep riding. We just got to turn around. That's the wrong way. Let's go this way. This way. This way. Keep walking. What? Why this way? Well, we got to go back to the house. It's the other way. You want to go to the park?
Yeah.
It's raining, son. It's raining.
Park.
What?
It's not a park.
Yeah, but it's raining.
No, it's not a park.
You're really, well, your hands are wet.
That.
It's a rock.
Jump?
Jump? Off the wet rock? Okay.
My turn. Would you get?
Go ahead. One more time. Be careful.
My turn. Don't get on that.
What?
Your turn, Mama.
It's my turn?
Your turn.
Okay. All right, yeah. I did it.
It's my turn.
Are you sure?
My turn.
Okay. Be careful.
My turn. Your turn, Ma. Your turn.
All right.
My turn.
That's what I was saying. Be careful.
My turn. Your turn.
Well, let's keep riding, Logan. We're getting wet.
Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. Your turn. I keep walking.
He scales it from the back. Hear the bell?
Yeah.
It's the church.
I heard that. I heard that.
I heard that.
It's a bell.
Uh-huh.
Oh, tree.
Bye, Logie.